Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jesme Creations. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and you will get the notification when I put the video. So today I am going to show you pull up photo card. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and you'll get the notification when I put the video. Thanks for watching.